of the Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Now in this video today I'm going to cook chicken foot with pumpkin soup. And I just want to say thanks to each and everyone who are sharing this live, sharing my cooking videos, and I just want to say thank you. I'm cleaning up my chicken foot for my chicken foot soup. So first you have to ensure you cut off the toes of the chicken foot and any other part of the areas that need to be cut off. And also for my chicken foot soup, I have pumpkin, carrot, Irish, sweet potato and yam. So you're gonna cut up the chicken foot and you're gonna peel the pumpkin, and the pumpkin and the chicken foot, those are the ones that's gonna be cooked first, because the pumpkin is what gonna give the chicken foot the nice pretty color that I'm looking for. So I'm just cutting up my chicken foot and having a real Jamaican red stripe beer. And as I mentioned earlier, and I just want to say a big thanks to each and every one for being a part of my challenge. We are currently at 107 subscribers in 7 days, and it's a great feeling to know that you are doing something that someone really admire and respect and appreciate. So thank you to each and every one. I want to say thank you to my friend Kemara Wallace over there in England, Chantal Wallace. I want to say a big thank you to Kiyoshi Short, that's my niece, Imani Short, Kamika. Thank you guys for sharing my videos, and I love and I appreciate all of you. So this is how you clean up the chicken foot. Then you cut off the toes. So you're not going to eat any chicken foot with the toes. And I also want to say a big thank you to my nephew's girlfriend, Diane. She's the one who's behind all of these beautiful films, and I really appreciate you, my darling.
Thank you very much.
Whole red stripe in the morning. There's no better place like Jamaica. Guys, also remember to share my live and so the channel can grow, so I can continue creating some awesome content. chicken foot finished cut up. So I'm gonna peel my pumpkin now. Also gonna use 3 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna wash off my chicken foot with my pumpkin, and then I'm gonna put them into the boiling water. Okay guys, now the water is boiling. I'm going to add my chicken foot and my pumpkin into the water, and then I'm gonna cover for the pumpkin and also the chicken foot to cook. Guys, my chicken foot and my pumpkin soup coming on real good. Can you smell that? Guys, can you see that? My pumpkin boil out and now my chicken foot have been cooked, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of my ingredients, which is my carrot, sweet potato, yam, corn and Irish. My soup is coming along pretty good. And chicken foot was boiling for about 35 minutes along with my pumpkin. So the pumpkin boil out, so the pumpkin is the one that give the soup the color that we are looking for. So I am going to cover now for another 10-15 minutes and then check back on the pot. Dumping in the pot now. Dumping aka spinners. Guys, the soup is coming around looking real good. Real Jamaican chicken foot soup. small stir. Also, I'm gonna add 2 pieces of scallion and 2 pieces of thyme. Can you smell that? This is my chicken foot soup with pumpkin. So we're gonna give it one more stir. Gonna cook. Also, I'm gonna add my Maggi chicken dogo. So this is it, guys. Maggi soup it up. I'm adding 1 scotch bonnet pepper also, because the scotch bonnet pepper is going to also help to enhance the flavor of the soup. So we give it a quick little stir. This soup should be finished in the next 5 minutes time. We're checking on the pot. So we turn on the stove, so the chicken foot soup is almost finished now. So I'm gonna cover it for 1 more minute or 2. So my chicken foot soup is finished. Can you smell that? Guys, so we reached the end of this video now. So please remember, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to like, comment, share and subscribe.